Welcome to a vlog. Sally, you're not supposed to be on the counter, darling. Oh, darling. Huh, you want to give kisses? No, you going to give roots? You're so pretty. Yeah.
Come here. Come on.
Okay, time to do the calendar for the day. What day are we on? 9?
Something. Some number. Edit that out with movie magic.
9. Hi, baby. Yeah. Spicy butt.
That's Annabelle.
It's Annabelle?
Yeah.
Oh, she's in a chair. I was
She's
like,
the
why
dolly.
does this look so weird?
She's the dolly in the chair.
Ooh, weird. Hello guys, it is... That was quick. So it's already Wednesday. I feel like it was just Monday. Okay, well, I've been filming stuff with all of my new setup and camera and all that, and I love it. Like, I love my Instagram content, but of course, like, Instagram is not showing my shit to anybody. It's whatever. I'm really proud of the stuff I've been doing. I think it looks so good. I love the white on Instagram, just makes everything pop. And so yeah, I'm excited about it. And I've been basically filming and editing. I feel like tonight I need a break. Zach had to work late and I am starving, and we don't have a lot right now, but we've got some Eggo waffles. So I'm gonna have 2 little Eggo waffles because I am literally starving. So we need to do some grocery shopping soon, but I'm just bleh. I ate a bunch of edamame earlier, but that was hours ago and I'm so hungry. So that's what's happening right now. I don't know what else. I think I'm gonna go ahead and open the calendar because it's getting late. Hush. My appliances are so beachy. Okay, it's day 10. Who is this? Oh wait, is that from... Is it from Little Shop of Horrors? I don't know. But we got this, which looks like a rabid Venus flytrap. So that's tonight's little calendar thing. And I hope you guys are doing good. And I'll talk to you. Hey guys, it is... What freaking day is it? It is Thursday. So we had our Hurricane Zeta come through. So we've got lots of leaves. Our power went out for like 7 hours. But it is such a beautiful day now. It's windy, which you can probably hear. But... it's a nice day, and I've been editing and editing and editing, but I want to go do something soon. I feel cooped up, but this is what our yard's looking like. Lots of leaves everywhere. We took our patio furniture in because stuff was getting knocked down, but everything's fine. All right, it's Thursday. Time for the calendar. We're on day 11. I think it's 11.
See? Oh, come on.
Just show it. Show it.
Ta-da! What the hell? Oh, this is the nun. That's creepy as shit. I don't like that. Oh.
That is a creepy one. Oh, look at her. She's gonna kill ya.
Not liking that.
Hello guys. So it is Friday and I need to do some cleaning up and I need to clean brushes. I've been putting it off, but I really, like, in order to do my makeup today, I should probably clean brushes. My vanity is a bit of a mess, so we're gonna start to tackle this. Let's see. Let's see if I can set you up. All right, that is lots better, but I need to clean all these brushes. I probably should pick out more that I've used, but these are the dirtiest ones. So I'm gonna clean those. And yeah, sponges too. All right, day 12. This is what we already got. Who is it? Who is it? Oh.
The balloon it.
It's another Pennywise. Interesting. All right, The last day. What are we gonna get? I'm so curious if it's bigger or not.
Oh, it's 2.
It's 2.
Ta-da!
Oh, it's the twin girl. Dibsity dibsity.
Oh, that's cheap. It's the same thing twice.
Well, it was only one day. Okay, so I am keeping Jack and the twins because, you know, The Shining. Freddy Krueger. Jason.
You just want the big name ones.
Well, no, you're getting Lydia and Beetlejuice. I feel like that's pretty big.
It can be.
You can have the It's. Do you want the It's?
Yeah.
One of the It's. You want both of them?
Which one don't you want?
I don't care about either of them.
Okay, I'll take both of them.
I'll take the Exorcist lady. You can have the rest.
You give me a creepy ass nun?
You don't want the nun?
Little Shop of Horrors. Never watched it, but
I've never seen it either. Guess we need to watch that one.
I am stuck on Band-Aid bread because Band-Aid's stuck on me.
Hi, baby. Hi. So pretty. Making my coffee. Hello, guys. Look at this little. What is that? So it is Monday, and I am going to kind of finish up this vlog today. I have another video waiting to go up. I'm just going to get the okay. This is what Sally did to me yesterday. So we have 2 neighborhood dogs, and I was playing with them in our backyard because they basically just like roamed this little neighborhood. Super sweet, like a black lab and then this black and white fluffy dog. So I was like throwing sticks for them, and I came in and they went around the front of the house, and we had the windows open a little bit with screens in them so the kitties could smell, and the black and white one got like ferocious at the window with Sally because she was like bowing up on him. And I tried to just keep her away from the screen because she was like running into the window and she tore me up. So anyway, I painted my nails yesterday. This is this Smith & Colt Bite Your Kiss from Smith & Colt. That's the color. It looks really dark, but you can see it's got like this little reddish plum like tone to it. It's just very subtle. I'm planning to do like film some Instagram content today since I have my vlog and another video to go up. So today I'm just gonna do Instagram stuff and hopefully post. I'm gonna post one of these videos for sure, but I was hoping to post the other one today, but we'll see. They have to approve it. It's actually chilly here. It's only 46 and it's like 8 a.m. and it's in Alabama. Like, it's usually not this chilly, but it kind of sucks because the next like week or so it's highs in the 70s again, and I'm like, today the high is only like 63, so I really like it. Hence the robe. I'm not turning the heat on yet because it's literally about to get warm again. So the last few days it's just been a little bit chilly in the house, but I kind of like low-key love it. So it's coffee time, robe time. I'm gonna just check emails and chill for a little bit, and yeah, I'll vlog some more in a little bit. All right, today feels like a French toast kind of day, so that's what I'm making. There we go. All right, there's my Frenchy toast. I'm gonna go eat this and watch some Grace because I'm being a little bit lazy this morning. And then it's time to film. Okay, I'm still in my robe. And I ate my French toast and some Chex Mix, and I am useless. Okay, I was actually organizing something. I was emptying this out, which is like this bucket thing. I had like wax melts in this. I'll show you. I have too many, but I wish I had been vlogging because I heard a beep at the door, which means the mail person scanning the package, and I was like, oh, 1 beep, and then it took a minute, 2 beeps, 3 beeps, 4 beeps, 5 beeps. So let's go see. I'll show you. I'm organizing stuff in here. Look, y'all, don't judge me. So I have all these Glade ones. These are in Ziploc bags, and I'm sure they're old as shit, but they actually still smell really strong, so I put some in there. At one point, I thought I was gonna like sell this stuff, and I'm just crazy. Jewelry and candles. Now, they smell amazing. Their candles and wax melts are crazy good, but I had like this brief obsession with getting the jewelry out. So I organized them by how many they have left, because I really want to empty these out, and I'm gonna hopefully recycle these. I'm looking to see if it has a thing on it, but these have 2 left, 3 left, 4 left, 5 left, and then I have one that's never been opened. Maybe my mom would like this. Yeah, she doesn't mind. So I'm gonna put these in the drawer instead of in my ice thing, and just changing that out. So we gotta check the door. Sally, this is what she does with my shoes that are here. Excuse me. Bad girl. Okay. Let's take a peek. See? Oh. Oh, honey. Oh my goodness. Whew. Okay. All right, let me open this. All right, so I got some packages, obviously. So Derma E sent me a hydrating mist with hyaluronic acid, rose water, and coconut water. This sounds really nice. They also put like some packet things in here, which this I already love. I have full sizes, so I'll pass those to someone. But also the purifying 2-in-1 charcoal mask, vitamin C brightening bentonite mask. I haven't tried these, so I might try those samples, but I'm really excited to try this mist. I need all the hydration I can get. Ana Luisa also sent me some products, so 3 jewelry pieces. I'll have to take those out in a moment. I picked 10 out that I loved, and they sent me 3, so I'm going to check those out. I don't know what this is from Benefit. Oh, What's Up High Beam and Dandelion. Oh, so they're all like their Radiance highlighting products. Super cute. I mean, I'm so excited. Thank you to Derma E, Benefit, Ana Luisa. They're going to partner with me on a video. You'll see that soon. And then the rest of what I got was 2 packages from Shein and Romwe, but they always say Shein on both. Oh my god, these are giant. I got all sorts of stuff. I don't know if these lemon sponges are going to be any good. Probably not, but I wanted to try them. Cute earrings. Look at these little coffee cups. These I'm dying for. Why am I so in love with these? Different little colors, stars. And then these are so pretty. It's hard to tell, but there's a cat jumping over something. I don't know, but they're cute. I'll just have to take them out. So later on, I'm going to go through and put like together little bins of things I want to do in videos. And I wanted to do like a lemon theme, makeup and skincare. So we'll see how that works out. But that's everything I got. And I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, so I forgot to take this jewelry out, but look at these beautiful pieces. This one has little lightning bolts. Oh, stunning. And I love this little lock. Also, this little bralette from Romwe is actually super cute. And this bodysuit feels so soft. I actually think I might put this on a little bit and film some stuff, but this is like super soft material. Kind of loving it. It's actually really cute. But this jewelry is stunning. You will see more in a video, but I've been grabbing their pieces and wearing them non-stop. If you guys saw my last video, I'll try to remember to link it, but I basically showed the jewelry and then hauled some other stuff, but I'm obsessed. Like the little like loop on this necklace, so pretty. I love it. Okay, I love everything. I'm obsessed. Hey guys, so I just got finished filming. I filmed a little skincare and a little makeup, both orange themed. Dark nails don't really go, but it's okay. So that's pretty much all I've done today. Tomorrow I need to be a little bit more productive and get started earlier. I'm so bad at that. It's a little bit better. But I just want to say thank you for hanging out with me and watching my vlog. Be sure to check my channel for any recent videos that you may have missed. I just feel like YouTube is going through some stuff right now. I guess I match. Anyway, it's not really showing people videos. I get a lot of messages that like people don't get their notifications. Somebody even told me like, you need to figure this out. I'm like, girl, I wish I could. But anyway, my videos are getting like super low views, so I feel like they're not telling people about them. Some videos just obviously aren't going to be as interesting as others, and that's fine. Everybody has their different taste, but I feel like check just to be sure. And your support as always means everything to me. Thank you all so much. And yeah, I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys.